Your speakers turn them up, boom, the reefer burn it up. Cause vibe reactions in the building, we for certain love. Who? The king of this reaction thing, and it's curtains for a fool that think it coming at the
What is good, Vibe Gang? It is your boy Ray here with another one. The Teskey brothers. Rain's the name of the song. I think I heard this one on the on a live, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not sure if I did or not. I know I heard the Teskey brothers on a live, but I don't know if it was this one. So I'm gonna do it now. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that. Federico, cut the beat. Teskey brothers, it is on you. Are we about to hit it hard? A lot of you, every time I hear his voice, I don't know, man. It just brings a different type of feel. It just does. It does bring a different type of feel. His voice is so raspy, but at the same time so poetic and so soulful. That mixture just make me want to cuddle up in a pile of hay. Look at the stars at night. Smell the cornfields down yonder. It's in the nude with my wife. Me and her. And if it rains, let it rain. I want to feel like it's all romantic. Like, if you really think about it, it's all romantic and stuff until it's time to go back to the car. You out there, oh, we gonna make love under the stars. Oh my goodness. And it starts to rain and you guys don't stop and run and go inside the truck. And then, no, you guys think, oh my God, this is a beautiful moment. It's raining and we're out in the field and we're making love under the stars and it's so romantic. And then you guys stop. And then it's time to go inside the car. And you got mud in your ass and you got mud in your knees. Yo, everything's all types of fun. Now what? It wasn't thought through. It just wasn't thought through all the way. It wasn't. But yeah, his music makes me feel that way. Are you crying again? Sing to them. Would be the same if I could hold you, my fam. I know it's hard to be alone. A soul with no face is a lonely embrace, but I know it's hard, and I know it's hard to be alone. Woo. Now this cloud. You know what? I get a little bit. When you close your eyes real quick, close your eyes for a minute. When he did that part right now, you know what I felt? I felt Ray Charles' spirit. Just get in him real quick. Ray Charles' spirit came inside and parked and activated his vehiculars. You understand what I'm saying? Close your eyes. I'm not even joking with you guys. Please don't disrespect this, man. Close your eyes. You have to feel every bit of it. See, I'm not a breakdown channel. I don't do none of that. Look, I'm a feel channel. You know what a feel channel is? You close your eyes and you feel the music, baby. You feel the music in my heart, and the feel the music in my soul, and the feel the music in my soul, and the feel in my heart. Can you feel the beat? Stop. Do it one more time for them in the back, bro, because they don't understand. I do.
To be alone. Yeah.
Right here, watch. Close your eyes, close your eyes.
Now this cloud up between us all, and the road ain't so clear, but we can still walk across. 'Cause I know it's hard to be alone.
Right.
A soul with no face is a lonely place, and I know it's hard.
I want to drink his voice, bro. Put his voice in a cup and put a tea bag in it and dip it and release it and swirl and drink. I would do that. His voice is just too good, bro. That's why his boots are like that, because he roots his feet to the ground. Because he needs to get that soul from the ground, from Mother Nature. He needs to absorb the energy of the earth and builds up inside his stomach. And then he goes, and then he does his thing. I know how it works, man. I've seen the documentaries. Right.
And I know it's hard to be alone, to be alone. Yeah, yeah. Oh, so little. Won't you come to me now? I wanna hold you in any way I know how.
Woo! You don't feel that? I don't know, man. You don't feel that, bro. I feel it in the pits of my stomach. And out of that, I got irritable bowel syndrome. And I don't think I got IBS. Do you? Damn, if I would not have, if it was somebody else that would have said that and I would have been in the comment section, I was like, yeah, you do have IBS because you're full of shit. Oh, I gotta roast myself sometimes, man. You don't feel it though? Bro, oh my God, man. I love this shit. I just love it.
To be alone,
Right.
to be alone.
I want to be alone. I don't want to be alone.
Yeah. Oh, so little. Won't you come to me now?
Right.
I wanna hold you.
Woo.
In any way I know how. 'Cause it's lying high with the Bible for eyes. I wanna hold you in any way I know how. But if there rain,
I'm gonna bought that man 2 meals at Denny's right now. Ladies and gentlemen, what you just heard right now was a mixture of a laughter and a cough. Not what I just finished doing. When I started to laugh, that literally was a laugh and a cough mix. That was crazy. I don't think in a million years I could do that again. Boy.
That rain, or am I crying again?
I don't know, man.
A soul with no face is a lonely base, but I know it's hard, and I know it's hard to be alone, to be alone.
You know, sometimes you think like God put people on this earth for a reason, man. God gave people talents for a reason. That right there, that boy, like, he was meant to do this, right? Like, we can all agree. We can all agree, the Teskey brothers, they were meant to do this shit. That boy's couldn't be kept a secret. You couldn't keep that voice in a closet. You couldn't do that. The world needed to hear this voice. This type of music that I listen to when I'm in pondering status. You ever been in pondering status? Where you just sitting there, you're trying to figure some shit out? I put music like this. Some music that's real soulful. I'm just in there. I'm in my fields. And I'm figuring shit out. Music is beautiful. We're really blessed, and we're really privileged for having music in our lives. Having music accessible to us, where we could really enjoy it and really live in the moment and live with the memory or the passion or whatever they made you feel at that moment. You could literally take that moment and really just live in that moment instead of worrying about everything else that's going on. Just take that moment when you hear something like this that really makes you feel shit, and just take that moment for what it is. Really live in it. We take that moment for granted too much. And then we wonder why we always upset and pissed off and always edgy. Now we got to take that moment. We got to live in that moment. We got to take that moment that artist gives us and really let it sit in our souls in order for us to really take in everything that the artist was trying to deliver. You feel me? And this man right here is just amazingly fire. When it comes to vehiculars, what? That was amazing. Are they live right now? Oh, I thought they were live right now. That was weird. This was the perfect example of why music is necessary for the soul, baby. Like, comment, subscribe, do all of that. I'm gonna talk to you guys later. Peace.